Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In this session, we will discuss O-level mathematics course for O-level students, and this is P-type P2 exam version 2 for May-June 2023. And here the first question is: shop buys some fruit. The table shows the bill for this fruit. Here we have in the column 1 we have items, and in a column 2 number of quantities in kilogram. In a third column we have price per kg, unit price, and in the last column cost price is the total cost price is given here, and finally in a last row we have a total price. This is the sum of all the cost price is equals to the total cost price. So we have to find this PQRS. So first we know that this product is equals to P. So 72 multiplied by 1.35 is equals to P. This is 97.20 dollars, and dollar is already given here, so we can write the numbers also. So 97.20, and for this second here we have Q. We can add all these to get this 240.30. The sum of all these cost is equals to 240. So 240.3 minus all the cost, this and this is equals to Q. So the sum of all the cost is equals to this one. So if we subtract the other cost from this 240.3, we can get the cost of this Q value, that is the cost of avocados. So Q is equal to 240.30 minus 225.50 plus P value is obtained from here 97.20, and this S Pierce value is 51.30, and we have this on subtracting we get this 66.30, and in this avocados R into 1.95 is equal to Q. Q is already obtained, so R is equal to 66, Q is 66.30, and divide by 1.95 is equals to 34. So the value of R is 34 quantity kg, and here we have the last one is 45 into S is equal to 51.3. So if we divide this 51.30 by 45, we will have this S value, which is 1.14. So this PQRS is obtained from this table. This kind of questions are usually asked in SAT exams, which is very popular. And now the shop sells all these fruits for a total of 325. So the total cost price is 24.3 and the selling price is $325. So the difference between this selling price and the cost price is given here. 325 minus the cost price divided by the cost price into 100 is the percentage profit. So we have to calculate the percentage profit. So 325 minus 240.30 divided by 240.30 into 100. So the profit percentage profit obtained is 35.25. So the answer is there. Now in a part B, in 2022 the shop's total sales were $34,974 in annual sales. A pie chart is drawn to show the item type that make up these total sales. So if 100% pie or 2 pie 360 degree representing this $34974, then the sales for the fruits were this. The sales of the fruits value is this. So we can say that 360 degrees corresponding to this 34974. So this sales of fruit is corresponding to theta. So if we take this directly proportional relation, we can obtain the value of theta by this equation. This is very simple. 360 corresponds to this total sales, and the fruit sales is corresponds to the theta, because the fruit sale is the part of this total sales. So the theta value is obtained as 98 degree. So part B, the angle representing frozen food is 46 degree. If in a pie chart, if the frozen food item is 46 degree, then the sales for the frozen food is obtained as 46 degree divided by 360 degree. This is the proportion of the pie chart of the frozen food multiplied by the total sales, is obtained as $4468.90. So this is the sales of frozen food item, which is equivalent to 46 degree, almost half of this. So we can see that this is just the half of it, approximately half, even less than half. This is 92 degrees, so this is 98, so less than half. So we can see the values and understand that we are doing right, correct. So this is just understanding level. And in a part B, the shop's total sales is 34,974 in 2022, where 4.4% increase on the total sales in 2021. So in a sale was this. So this in 2022, the sales was increased by 4%. So we have been asked to find the sales in a 2021. So the sales of 2022 is given as this 34,974, and which is a 4.4% increase from the previous year sale, which is 2021 year sales. So we have to calculate the total sales in 2021. So sales in 2022 is equal to 100 plus 4.4% is equal to 104.4%, which is equals of X, so equals to $34,974. So this X value, X percent, so this X value is obtained as 34974 divided by this 104.4 multiplied by 100. So the value of sales in 2021 is obtained as 33,500, and if we multiply by this 1.044, we will get this same value, 34,974. If we multiply this number with 1.044, we will get this number. So this is simple. This question number 1. Now question number 2. One chocolate bar cost P cents. The one chocolate bar cost is P cent, which is here, and one packet of sweet cost. One packet of sweet cost is 75 cents. So Danish pays $9.10 for 5 chocolate bars and 8 packets of sweets. From an equation and solve it to find the value of P. So from equation and solve it to find the value of P, show your working. So we have one chocolate bar cost is P cents, and one packet of sweets cost is 75 cents. So 5 chocolate bar cost is 5P, and 8 packets sweets cost is 8 into per unit cost, per unit packet cost of sweet is 75. So 8 multiplied by 75 is equals to $9.10, which is equivalent to 910 cents, because this is $9.10 is equals to 910 cents. So we have all the values in cents. Now we will multiply this 8 into 75 and subtract it from 910. We will get the 310, and by dividing by this 5 we will have this value, p is equal to 62 cents. So the value of this chocolate bar cost is 62 cents. And now in a part B we have to factorize it. So here we have 3 is common and C is common. So 3C can be taken common here. On taking 3C common, the left is 2 into A. When multiply with this one, we will get this 3 to the 6 and AC. Again we will get this. On taking 3C common, the left is 9. When multiply this 3C with 9, we will have this 27C. So this is correct, and we have to write this 3C 2A minus 9 here. And C part, we have 3m square n divided by 10 into 5n divided by n as a single fraction. So this 3 can be eliminated with this. So 3 divided by 3, 3 1 the 3 and 3 3 the 9. So 3 will be here and 5 to the 10. So 2 will be here, and in the proportion we have this m can be reduced with this m. So the power of m will be 1, power m only m1, and n is n square. So n square. And in the denominator, in the numerator we have 1 coefficient, and here in the denominator 3 to the 6. So the simple single fraction is 1 over 6 mn square. Rearrange the formula for y is equal to 3x square 5 to make x the subject. So take this right hand side on the left hand side and left hand side on the right, like this. And when we multiplied this 5 here and divide by 3, so rearrangement, x square is equal to 5y upon 3, and on taking square root on both sides, this x is equal to plus minus 5y upon 3. So this x is equal to plus minus under root 5y upon 3. So x is the subject now. This is part B. In a part C, a group of k numbers has a mean of 56.8. So the k number x1, x2, x3 up to xk is the sum. The group of k number has a mean of 56.8k. So k numbers are there, so we divide with k, we will have a mean value. So if we add all these and divide by k, we will have this mean value of 56.8. So this is given, this information is given, and we have write down in a mathematical form. The number 52 is added to the group. If we add another 52 here, then the new mean is 56.5. So previously the total numbers were k, now we add another number, so the value of this will be added 1. So extra number is added, so extra quantity is added here 1. So previously there were total k numbers, now we have x1, x2 up to xk, and this one is xk plus 1. So total number is xk plus 1, so k plus 1 is here, and this is xk plus 1. Now from these two equations, so this total sum, this k can be multiplied here 56.8, and this is the sum of all this number is written as here, the summation sign, and xi, and I is from 1 to k, and this is equals to k times 56.8. And for this one we have this up to here, we have this same number, this is I to k xi, and this last one is 52, and we can multiply this k plus 1 with 56.5. So we have these two equations. equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 2, if we subtract this 52 on the other side, so these two values will be equal. So from equation 2, if we place this 52 on the right hand side with a negative sign, then this equation 2 will be equals to that equation 1. So this value will be equal. So we equate it, or we can say that we can subtract equation 2 from 1. So from these two equations, we have this 56.5 k plus 1, and this is equation 2, and from this equation 2 we have obtained this 56.5 k plus 4.5. Now this equation 3 and equation 1 are same, so we can write 56.5 k plus 4.5 is equal to 56.8 k. From equation 1 we can equate it 1 and 3, and this is 56.8 k is equals to 56.5 k plus 4.5. So from this we can shift it on the left hand side, 56.5 k on the left hand side, and the difference is 0.3 k is equals to 4.5. Now divide on both sides by 0.3, and we have k is equal to 15. So the value of k is 15. This was a very tricky question, this part E. This question is very important and very tricky, and the value of k is obtained as 15. Now question number 6, we have given this geometrical shape. Here we have A and B. B is a dark region, a triangle, and the diagram shows the equilateral triangle B. This is equilateral triangle, means all angles and all sides are equal, and part of the regular polygon A. This A is the part of the polygon, and which have a common side, with this triangle B. This is common with this A and B, and the interior angle of the polygon is 165. This interior angle, this angle is 165. So this is find the value of y. So we have to find the value of y, and this polygon is interior angle is 165. So this is the formula of polygons total angles. Each interior angle is equals to this formula, n minus 2 upon n into 180 degree is equal to 165, and this left hand side value is equals to the each interior angle of a regular polygon. So this is regular polygon, so we can write this n minus 2 upon n into 180 degree is equals to 165, which is given here. So from this we can write the equation as 180n minus 360 degree, and this n is multiplied by this 165, and on simplification we have obtained 15n is equal to 360 degree and n is equal to 24. So there are 24 sides in this polygon. This polygon A is having 24 sides with each angle of 165 degree. So find the value of y. So 165 degree. So this angle is 165 degree plus this y degree, and this is 60 degree. Because this is an equilateral triangle, so this angle is 60 degree plus 165 degree plus y naught is equal to 360 degree. So this relation, because it's a complete circle, so this is 165 given. In each interior angle of a polygon is 165 degree, and this is a regular equilateral triangle. So this angle is 60 degree in this triangle, and plus y naught is equals to 360 degree, and y naught can be obtained as 135. On subtracting this from 360, and we have this 135 degree. This part 2, calculate the number of sides of the polygon A, which is already obtained earlier. So this is n is equal to n minus 2 upon n is 180 degree is equal to this 165, and n is equal to 24. So this n is equal to 24. There are 24 sides in this polygon. Now question number B part of this question. Here we have a circle, and we have some interior. This OA is the radius, OC is the radius, BA and BC is a line. So here A, B and C, A, B and C are the points on the circumference. This A, B and C are the points on the circumference of a circle, and center is O is the center of the circle, and angle ABC, A, B and C is given as x naught. Show that the angle OAC is equal to 90. OAC is this angle is 90 minus x. So as ABC is x naught, so AOC is equal to 2x naught, because this angle from the circumference on the same segment is x naught, then the angle from the center to this segment will be double the value of this. The angle from the circumference to the segment is twice the angle from the center. So this would be double of this x naught. This the reason is here. So AOC is 2x naught. AOC is an isosceles triangle because this length and this length are equal. OC and OA are equal. So the angle of this OAC and OCA will be equal. So this is 2x naught. So this is 180 degree minus 2x 180 degree. So these two angles, so the remaining angle of this OAC and OCA will be 180 degree minus 2x. So this OAC plus OCA is equal to 180 degree minus 2x. This angle is subtracted from 180 degree will be the sum of these two angles, which is this 180 degree minus 2x. Since OAC and OCA are equal because of an isosceles triangle, OAC is an isosceles triangle, so this 2 can be taken common, and this OAC and OCA is equal to 2 OAC because of this relation, and this 2 can be eliminated, and OAC is 90 degree minus x, so which is shown here. This part 1, and in a part 2 find BAO is equal to 54 degree. BAO, this angle is 54 degree, and angle OCB is 11 degree. So from the value of find the value of this x. So we have to find the value of x. BAO BAO is 54 degree and OCB is, this angle is 11 degree. This is given. So in triangle A, B and C, A, B and C, x naught plus 54 degree this angle and this angle. This angle is 90 minus x. This angle is 90 minus x. This is 54 degree, and this is x naught, and this is 90 minus x minus 11 this degree. So this part is here. So this ACB is basically this 90 minus x minus this 11 degree. So from this relation in triangle ABC, the value of x is obtained as 43 degree. This is not easy, this is a little difficult. So now I repeat it, that we have to find the value of OAC, which is 90 minus x, since ABC is the angle for this segment from the circumference, which is x naught. So the angle for the same segment from the center will be double. So this is 2x naught. So this AOC and OCA have same angles because this is the sides are equal. So this is an isosceles triangle. So this is 2x naught. So the angle, the summation of this angle and this angle is 180 degree minus 2x. So and both angles are equal. So from this OAC is equals to OCA degree. So this OAC plus OCA is 2AC is equal to 2 common taken from here. So 90 minus x degree, and OAC is obtained as 90 minus x, which is this. This is part A. I am repeating it because this is a little difficult. In a part 2, BAO is 54 degree is given here, and OCB is 11 degree. This is 11 degree which is given, and we have to find this value of x naught. And in triangle ABC, we know this is x naught, and this is 54 degree. This is 90 minus x. This part, this angle is 90 minus x minus 11. So this is 90 minus x minus 11. This is 90 minus x. This angle, this is 54 degree, and this is x naught. So, and after that we are just getting the simplification, and the value of x is obtained as 43 degree. Now question number 4. Complete the table of values. Y is equal to 2 power x divided by 5, and the values are this given here. So minus 1, this becomes 1 over 2, so 0.1. This 1 over 2 is 0.5, and this 5 divided by 0.5, it becomes 0.1, and 2 power 0 is 1 divided by 5 is 0.2, and x 2 power x1 is becomes 2 upon 5 is 0.4. If value of x is 2, then becomes 4 upon 5 is 0.8. 2 power 3 is 8 divided by 5 is 1.6. 2 power 4 is 16 divided by 5 is 3.2, and y is equal to 2 power 4 upon 5 is 16 upon 5 is 3.2. So this is 3.2, and draw the graph of y is equal to 2 power x upon 5, and for minus 1 x is less than or equals to 4, and for this range we have to draw the graph. So for this we have this draw the graph. value at -1 is y value is 0.1. This is 0.1. This is because this is 10, 0 to 1. So this small segment is 0.1. At -1, the value of y is 0.1, which is given here. And for 0 is 0.2. For 0, x is equal to 0, the value is 0.2. For 1, it is 0.4. For 1, it is 0.4. For 2, it is 0.8. For 3, 1.6. And for 4, it is 3.2. So 3.2, and we draw this curve here. We have drawn this curve for 0 to 1. This curve is required in part B. By drawing a suitable line on the grid, solve 2 power x is equal to 6. 2 power 6 x is equal to 6. So the value of y is 2 power x is equal to 6, and y is given as 2 power x upon 5 is 2 power x is equal to 5y. So from this relation, so 2 power x is equal to 6 means this is 5y is equal to 6. Because this is 5y, 2 power x is basically equals to 5y. 2 power x is equals to 5y, this 5y. So this 5y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 divided by 5 is 1.2. So we draw a line at 1.2, and we draw a line at 1.2, and we will read the value of x at 1.2. At 1.2, and we read this value, and this is 2.5, and this value is intersecting at this point, 2.6. So the value of x is 2.6, which is read from this graph. Complete this part D. Complete the table of values for y. For y is equal to 2x plus 1, and here we have y is equal, x is equal to 4, y value is 2.25. So for -1, here is 2 minus 1 plus 1 is equal to -1. So -1, 4y is equal to -1 means y is equal to 0.25, minus 0.25. And placing value 2 here, 4 plus 1 is equal to 4y is equal to 5. 4y is equal to 5 means y is equal to 1.25, because 5 divided by 4 gives the value of y, which is 1.25. So this table is completed here. In a part 3 on the grid on page 8, draw the graph of y. 4y is equal to 2x plus 1 for -1 to 4. So x value -1. So we will place this value on this graph here. These are the values, and we have plotted here. So this is plotted here, this value, and from there we can see on the grid on the page this is part 2. And for 3, find the x coordinates of the point where the line this crosses the graph of y is. So we have to find the x coordinate of the point when the line this line crosses this curve. So it is at minus 0.2. Here we can see at minus 0.2 here, this point. At this point it is crossing here, and at this value, which is 3.4 or 3.3. So this is 3.3. So at these two values from this table, we can see that it is crossing this curve. This line equation is 4y is equal to 2x plus 1, and these values are plotted and makes a straight line with this. And it is intersecting at this here and here at the curve. So this value is obtained as x. The x coordinates in part D3 are the solution of a to power x plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are all integers. Use the equation 4y is equal to 2x plus 1 and y is equal to 2 power x upon 5 to find the exact value of each of a, b and c. So we have this 4y is equal to 2x plus 1 and y is equal to 2 power x upon 5. So this 2 y is equal to 2x plus 1 upon 4. So value of y is here. So we can equate both. We can equate, and here we have this 4 is multiplied here, 5 is multiplied here, and this 4 2 power x, and here we have this 10x plus 5, and this 4 2 power x and minus 10x, and this is 5. So we have obtained this expression as 4, and when we compare with this equation with these equation, so the value of a is 4 and value of b is minus 10 and value of c is minus 5. So this a, b and c values are obtained. This is very important question, and in the next session we will discuss question 5 and the other questions.